Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2009 to 2018 Ram trucks. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be 15 times brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. This procedure is for 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s and 2010 to 2018 Ram 25 and 3500s. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is remove this metal plate that's holding in the license plate light housing. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver.
Now, with the plate removed, go ahead and remove the light from the bumper.
We're going to take the OEM socket, turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. Then we're going to take our license plate bulb, pull it out.
Just a quick note, each light housing has an R or an L on the back to indicate what side they go on, right for passenger and left for driver's side.
Take your Boost Auto license plate lamp, pull the connector out, and plug it into the OEM socket. Now you can notice that the socket is keyed to the housing, so make sure you line up the tabs.
Once the socket is lined up with the housing, turn it clockwise and lock it into place. Then place the light back in the bumper. Back underneath the vehicle, resecure the light with the metal retaining clip, making sure to push it all the way back into place. Now go ahead and repeat all the same steps on the driver's side.
Well, that about wraps it up for the install of our LED license plate lights on this 2009 to 2018 Ram truck. If you like those LED license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com to see our other products like our cab lights or these tow mirror lights to complete your build today. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.